What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. This is your Monday motivational video for your day and for the rest of your week. Hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys had a great weekend. My weekend was really interesting. Got a lot of family stuff going on. I just lost a cousin this past weekend, so there's that. So that's been kind of, it was just yesterday, actually. Literally found out about it while I was at church. So of course I sat there and I've been talking to family all weekend. But I'm okay. I'm all right. Just prayers for me and my family and positive vibes my way. Please, all is welcome. Other than that, you guys, today I woke up and I had a pretty productive day so far. The weather was absolutely beautiful on this fine Monday. It was sunny. It was like 60 something degrees. I went out to the gym, got my personal training on. I think I told you guys I have a personal trainer now. We worked on some core workouts, some chest. I felt great because she gives me like intense workouts within the half hour that we do have. And then after that, I went for a nice 3-mile walk with Tyrone, came home, had a late lunch. Now I'm getting to some work. But I feel good, you guys. Like, I feel I'm in a positive space. My vibes, my energy is really positive today. And so I just want to transfer that to you. I know some of you was like, how, or probably like, how are you so positive? And, you just lost someone. But, yeah, I mean, when I tell you guys how important it is to mind your energy, I really do mean it. Because if I was a negative person, I would not be taking this well at all. I probably wouldn't even be making videos. But my family is good, surrounded by love and prayers and all of that. So we're good. But aside from that, I'm just in a really good mood today. It is Monday. It is Get Things Done Monday. We are going to get things done today. And so far, I have been feeling really productive, you guys. When I tell you that I really like feeling like going to the gym and doing a workout where you actually feel like you did some work. Like, I am in pain, like my shoulder, my chest, my abs, like I'm in pain, y'all. But I feel good. I feel good. I love a good workout where it's like I put in work, and I'm always proud of myself when I feel that way, because when I don't, it's like, did I do enough? And sometimes you do enough and you just don't feel the pain, and other days you don't. But today's workout felt good. She does a lot. She does not allow me to have any type of muscle memory, which is good. And if you don't know what that is, she doesn't let me do the same thing all the time. When you do the same workouts over and over and over again, your body gets used to it. So when you start using muscles that you don't normally use, it's painful and it can get discouraging and it causes you to not want to do that stuff. And so she doesn't give me a chance to let that happen, which I love, because I want to be able to start using different workouts and using different parts of my body and different muscles that I don't normally use to just kind of get the most out of my workouts. So that's just a little info for you guys. But anyway, push through, keep pushing. Have you guys seen that saying that's it's an abbreviated push word? And it's push, pray until something happens. I know a lot of you guys probably are or not spiritual, religious, whatever the case may be. But whatever it is that you do, push through, okay? I just want to encourage you guys that no matter what life throws at you, no matter what happens in life, while you are still living and breathing, you have the power to make the most out of your day, make the most out of the time that you have. You have a choice. You can either allow those negative things or those bad things to take over you, or you choose to live. You choose to use your time wisely. You choose to be happy. You choose to do energy work. It is spring. Do some spring cleaning with your energy. Do some spring cleaning with your mental health. Do some spring cleaning with your physical health. Do some spring cleaning with your circle. Do some spring cleaning in your home. And when I tell you guys, the more cluttered your home is, the more stressful your life is. And it's a mental thing, I feel like. So make sure that you are doing some spring cleaning. Don't clean just to clean. Make sure that you are decluttering, because decluttering your environment also declutters your mind. It declutters your emotions. It declutters, you know, your heart. It declutters anything that is added stress. When you come home and you see a messy house, that is stress on top of the stress you probably had from work, or the stress that you had getting to work in the morning, or the stress you had from not having time to eat. All these crazy things. And it's like, when you come home, your home should be your safe haven, your sanctuary, your place of peace. Can't find peace in a messy home, just like you can't find peace in a messy mind. So make sure that you are spring cleaning everything around you. It is time. It is time. If this is something that you have been pushing back or pushing to the side, you know what, I'll deal with it later, or you know what, I'll deal with this person later, or you know what, I'll read that book later, or I'll clean that later, or I'll put that stuff away later. Later becomes never when you start doing that. Okay. And I used to be that way. Later started to get to never, and there were a lot of things that I didn't get done until I started doing them. I'm like, you know what? I feel so much better when I get things done, when I have a clean home, when my mind isn't occupied with a whole lot of stuff. Granted, sometimes life happens and you got to kind of deal with what you have, but that's why it's always good to have a positive mindset, clear energy, clear mind, so you know how to deal with life's lemons, so to speak. But I just want to encourage you all to just push through, do that spring cleaning. If, like I said, if it's something that you've been pushing to the side and it's starting to stress you out, it is time to let it go. It is time to deep clean everything around you so you can be refreshed, so you can have more space to think, more space to feel, more space to breathe, more space to allow yourself to be happy and joyful and positive. I don't know about y'all, but I really am in such a good mood when I walk into a clean home, when I have done all my work, when I have done everything that I'm supposed to do, when I am not dealing with any drama. If I can just walk in my house and have a hot cup of tea or coffee and just sit there and just bask in the silence of my clean home and my clean aura and my clean energy, you guys, there is like nothing like it. I don't need anything else other than that solitude of clean energy. That is so big to me. And the older I got, the more important that became. Okay, because the older you get, the more you deal with, whether it's a career, whether starting a family, a new relationship, new friends, new lifestyle, whatever the case may be. You're always learning. You're always, you should always be open to embrace new things in life, and changes happen. So you always want to make sure that you are in that right state of mind to embrace those changes as they come. All right. So leave your comments down below. Let me know how you have been, how your weekend was, you guys. And once again, please send your positive vibes my way. I always feel it when you guys always send me positive vibes. So all is welcome. Just a few other things. I'm still playing God of War. I haven't finished it, but I did start Resident Evil 4 Remake, and I am still on chapter 1, I think, but I'm going to try to finish that today and maybe tap into chapter 2. We'll see, but I'll start to kind of label them that way when I do my live stream gaming, so you guys will know where I am. I'm still watching The Falcon and the Winter Soldier, which I will watch another episode today for you guys. I don't know why I thought there was something that I was supposed to watch yesterday, and I'm just like, oh, wait a minute, The Last of Us is over. The Mandalorian is on Wednesdays. So I'm going to continue to try to finish The Falcon and the Winter Soldier and then start Loki, for those of you who care to watch. Also, I'm going to try to get back on Dragon Ball this week. We'll see how that goes if I don't have too much going on. But yeah, so let me know what you guys are up to. Leave your comments down below. Again, let me know if you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Hit like, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified whenever I pop up on your feed. I'll see you guys later. Toodles!